Khadi, can he just go missing? Can he just go missing?
Not at all, Arnab. There is no question that he could have gone missing without political patronage, both from the center and from the state. The law is very clear that if you are a government officer, which you are since you are a police officer, you have to take permission from the state government, as the case may be, which possibly you have or you haven't. I do not know as to what that state was or whether it was a blind eye was turned to that deliberately.
No, so one minute. Rahul Narvekar and China, 1 minute. Rahul Narvekar and China, we'll move fast. Rahul Narvekar and China come into the debate tonight with Kishore Tiwari and Brij Mohan Srivastav. Parambir, when he realized he'd been caught, he went over to your side and said that he will testify. He made allegations against Anil Deshmukh. Now, Anil Deshmukh's also missing. Parambir is also missing. But we don't know if Anil Deshmukh has fled the country, but Parambir, it seems, has fled the country. Right? So the charge is on you, and through the evening, everyone's been charging you that you've obviously got a hand in this because NI could have taken him into... What are you saying? Kishore Tiwari, you're saying something?
Yeah, I want to add something. Arnav, this is the point when NIA named Parambir Singh, that's the day he gone missing. And we have been told that the safe passage was given Ministry of Home Affairs. In fact, our lookout notice was already there. He was not responding. But now he has left the country. That's the thing which is under control of the Ministry of Home Affairs and the central government. So the long passage has been given to Parambir by central government.
You are asking all these questions. The simple question is why didn't the state government suspend him? If he was charged on 5 FIRs of corruption, of extortion, you wanted to absolve yourselves of all this corruption, gross corruption, and now you're saying this. The question is, has he fled?
Arnav,
it is a question.
China should respond.
If there
Who is responsible?
If there is
and why
a question, there will be a counter question too, sir.
Because he is having
the state government should have suspended him. You didn't suspend him. You gave him a promotion. You made him DG Home Guard.
Brij Mohan Srivastav responding. 1 second, please. One at a time. Kishore, thank you. Brij Mohan.
Arnav ji.
Yes.
Arnav ji, Shaina madam has to go through the administrative rules and regulations. How a serving IPS officer can be suspended. There is a procedure. When NIA was investigating that total case, NIA has to inform to the state government that we found him guilty, so please suspend him without taking any statement, without taking any information. How any state government can suspend a serving police officer? It is a question. When that commission was investigating him and he was not appearing in front of the commission penalty him 50,000 rupees, and there was no report.